Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to log into NFHS Network and unlock access to exciting high school sports events and content. If you're eager to catch live games, replays, and highlights from your favorite high school teams, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of logging into NFHS Network, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. Let's dive into the thrilling world of high school sports with NFHS Network. First, open your browser and type NFHS Network Login into the Google search bar. Click on the top result from the search results to access the website. All you need to do now is to enter your information and click on the Login button. Write your registered email address in the first line and your password next to it. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Click on the Forgot Password link below the line. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling sports content.